In this video, I'm going to show you how you can log out of your TikTok account. So if you want to sign out, it's pretty simple. Just follow these steps. If this video helps you, please like and subscribe to this channel. All right, to do this is pretty simple. Go ahead and tap on this profile icon, and this will take you to your profile page here. And under this, go ahead and tap on these three lines, and then go to settings and privacy. Now under this, we have various options. Go ahead and choose account. Now from settings and privacy page, scroll down up to the last page, and here you can see two options, either to switch your accounts or log out. For my case, I want to log out, so I'll choose the last option and finally confirm that indeed you want to log out. By doing so, you will be logged out of TikTok and you'll have to log in the next time you want to use your TikTok account. So that's how you can log out of TikTok account. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.